Well, it's day one, it's 9:30 Saturday morning and the journey begins. I'm off to the Snowy River, the Barry Way, off to Jindabyne and Cooma, all those sorts of places. 6-day trek. Jeff picks me up and brings me home. That's the plan. He's going to pick us up on Friday morning at Seba. And I'm going to miss my family. I'm going to miss everyone. I'm going to miss Canberra. But I'm going to enjoy the highway. I'm going to take it steady. I'm going to play it safe. Hey, check out the bike. Thanks to Jeff. Got the best bike on the planet. The best setup. I just think it might be a little bit heavy. I might have to throw a few things away as we travel down the highway. Bob trailer. Cool. Let's do it. Let's get on with it. Well, this is home sweet home for tonight. Got a beautiful fire going, sun's going down. Let's see, I'm going to boil some water, have a cup of tea, heat my pizza, my pre-cooked pizza, and relax and enjoy the serenity